Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Epson LQ-690 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. First of all, go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. And in search type Epson LQ-690 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. First link is from the Epson. Open the first link. Epson official website is open. Here we find our name. If it is not select your operating system right or bit is not right, then go to here operating system, click at here. If Windows 10 32-bit, then click on Windows 10 32-bit, Windows 10 64-bit, then click on Windows 10 64-bit. After that, click on this go button. It's refresh your whole page. After that, scroll down and go to the drivers. In a drivers, here we find driver. Click on this plus button, click on plus button. It's expand. After that, here we find download. Click on this download and it's redirect sometime and sometime directly start download at the top. Okay, our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to completely download the drivers on our PC or laptop. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in a folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. And here is our setup file. Basically, this setup file is actually a zip file and we are going to unzip this zip file. Here we find our printer driver. Right click on our printer driver, click on extract files, click on OK, and new extracted folder out is created on the desktop. Double click on it. Here we find our drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, here we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new option is pop off in a few seconds. The printer that I want isn't listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer, go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select that. Click on the next. Here we find existing port. Click at here. And if you find any USB port, USB 001, USB 002, USB 003, USB 004, select any USB port that you find, select USB port, click on the next. Here we find Havadix, click on Havadix, click on the browse, go to the desktop, go to our newly created folder, double click on it. Here we find one single file, this is an .inf file, select that file, click on open. Click on OK. Here we find our printer name Epson LQ-690. Select that. Click on the next. Give any name that you like. IQ Epson LQ-690. Click on the next. It is installing our printer. It's installing in few seconds. After that, if you want to share the printer in the network, select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer. Select first option. Click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page, click on a finish. Next option is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printer list, if you find your printer name Epson LQ-690, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.